What the business is, YouTube? It's your boy Taqueza Stack, Kane, and keep it a stack on my channel, man. I am fresh off work. I hate working this job. People was in the comment section on my other video like, oh, you're lazy. Oh, you need some ideas to get a job. Bro, I have a job, bro. I just hate working a job, bro. I don't like working longer than 6 months, bro. I feel like I know the stock market game, bro. I can make money out of thin air. All I needed was some money to show y'all that you can go get some more money. Look, on the day, right, I made my daily bread plus a little extra. Look, I did 182 on the day. I did 182. My job paid me like, what, $20 an hour? That's 160 for 8 hours. I did 182. I made this money at 9:30. As soon as the market opened up, bing, I had to play from yesterday because I know how to read the market. And this morning, Jerome Powell said something. It kind of killed a little bit, but then it recovered. Like, bro, I got in and got out, bro. Like, we day traders, bro. What's going on, bro? Like, everybody felt like I'm saying something wrong, bro. Like, you want to be at your job? Everybody that work at my job is a senior citizen. I don't work with nobody young, bro. I work with a bunch of grandmas, aunties, uncles. Like, these people been here their whole life and their money ain't saved them. They don't have no stock in the company. They just got 401k, but 401k, you control your own stock. Like, what's going on, bro? You know? So this is just to tell you, like, bro, you don't got to work all year. You just to get some money, bro. All you got to know is an A+ setup, discipline, and patience, and you can get some money, bro. I promise you, you can get some money, bro. Like, I feel like it don't take 2 weeks to make $1,000. Like, what the fuck I look like waiting 2 weeks for $1,000? My glasses is Burberry. I spent $600 on these frames plus the prescription. Like, what, bro? Like, I ain't gonna say like, okay, you living above your means, but I was getting paper for real. Real entrepreneur, street hustler, rented out cars, go to work. I'm talking about, I say your mama that if I had to, bro. You feel what I'm saying? My ex-girlfriend know me like, bro, if she had 2 asses, I'd sell one. Player, like, I don't mess around when it come to getting this money, bro. And if you're not here with me for the campaign, I'm not rocking with you, because on the campaign, I already got the application. Do you fit the description? You know? And a lot of y'all want to know what's going on. This is a rant after me getting out of work, me telling y'all I hate my job. A 9 to 5, feel like I'm dying, bro, every day of the week. You feel me saying? Like, but today was sweet, though. I was at work sleep today. I made my little stock money, and I went to sleep on their ass. Straight up. I went to sleep. I went ducked off high, went to sleep, came back, ate lunch, hit again. Hey, and that lunch is trash at my job, and they want to charge us for that trash-ass food, bro. Like, what the hell is going on, bro? Like, that's why I don't like the jobs. And then, like I said, bro, like in my department, the department head want to say, oh, you need this new license if you want to get this new position. Man, people been here 35 years. Everybody I work with is old, bro. People been stuck in their ways, bro. You feel me? But, you know, you won't give me a chance because I'm a young blood and I'm hungry. I'm talking about really hungry for what's going on. Like, I know any given day I could go make $25, $26 an hour doing something completely different. But I did take this little pay cut just so I could trade and sleep in the middle of the day and still be at work. But all I do is be trading all day and watching Bloomberg. I don't be doing nothing at work. I'm lazy. A 9 to 5, feel like I'm dying. I just, you know what I'm saying, got to stay out the streets. You feel what I'm saying? I told my mama when I got out of jail, like, you feel what I'm saying, I ain't going back to jail. I'm going to change some of my ways. You feel what I'm saying? Like, so the only reason I got a job is to stay out the streets, gang, from conniving and pulling moves. And you feel what I'm saying? Like, that's just the bottom line. I was used to pulling moves all day. I'm talking about going on capers in this city, that city, hitting licks. I do that. You feel what I'm saying? Like, man, my belt costs $500. My accessories right here, $1,000. What I look like waiting $1,000 every 2 weeks, bro? Like, I like steak, pasta, seafood. Bro, what? Like, I'm lazy. You right. I'm used to getting money the fast way instead of slow money. Like, you get rich fast, not slow, bro. Why, like, who's trying to feed this concept to us, bro? Like, I don't get it, bro. I know I'm smarter than the average bear. My peers, they be, bro, what's the sauce, bro? What's the sauce, bro? Bro, you got to pay me for this sauce, bro. Straight up. Why you think you avoid everybody else? They got to pay for sauce. Like I go to WAP, right? Look, I make money off this joint. I make a little money. I got subscriptions re-rolling. It's people paying for me for my group chat. Group chat in the bio if you want to make stock market money with your boy. Like, man, come on, man. Y'all boys. And then some people, oh, you're arrogant. Boy, I know what I can really do. What the hell is wrong with you? Like, your mama must have told you the sky wasn't the limit, bro. I've been doing anything I wanted to, when I wanted to, for the past 6-7 years. And I ain't gonna stop now. You feel me? I just took it upon myself to take up a new challenge to see if I could start with a job and flip it from a nick to a brick with a paycheck. And I'm used to going broke on my re-up anyway when I was thugging in the streets. So I'm knowing if I take a whole paycheck, dump it in the market, use the A+ setup and flip, man, I'm rich again, bro. I'm talking about out of thin air. So I know if I could do it, you could do it. You know what I'm saying? I just been being humble, being patient, trying to see what normal people go through and when they ups and downs, bro. Because like I said, I was a street pharmacist, bro. Like, I serve it to your mama. I don't care. As long as she got that money, I was serving grannies, bro. I don't care. Grandpas, they can get it too. You know what I'm saying? So once I graduated from that and I learned about the stock market, man, nobody can't tell me it take all day to make $100, $200, $150, $130. I'm pulling it out the sky when I want to, how I want to. Man, I ain't gonna say it no more, man. Just know I love bad bitches too. And it's just the after work rant, you feel me saying? Like, I don't even know what's going on, but I see y'all light when I was talking about a 9-to-5 is killing people, you feel me saying? So I'm gonna keep making them videos. I'm dying at a 9-to-5 right now. But today I had some grace. I was asleep today, bro. Straight up, bro. I'm talking about they gonna have to fire me. Straight up. I ain't gonna quit. And then it's a union job too, so you really gotta do something. They gotta build a case on you to fire you. They just can't fire you. You know what I'm saying? I can get good jobs when I want to get a good job, but when the politics at the job get the going this way and going that way, it's time for me to go. You only got one life to live. You can't get none of this time back on earth, bro. So go live your life, P. Go live it. Go do what you want to do. I had the most fun living in Orlando. I'm gonna go back to Orlando so bad. So bad. I'm going back. You know what I'm saying? I just gotta make sure my dude's great. And then I'm going back to the O. I love it. Where I was in Conway. If y'all know, I was in Conway. I was in Altamont Springs. I was in Kissimmee, Champions Gate. Man, y'all really know what's going on if y'all was in the O, bro. I was really in that O. You know what I'm saying? I was messing around at the college out there, UCF. I'm talking about bad biddies everywhere, black and brown communities. I'm talking about, man, Atlanta goofy to me, bro. Like, it's just different up here, and I don't like it. They don't got dispensaries. They pay state tax. I'm going to keep saying that. They don't got dispensaries. No legal gambling up here. Like, where the moves at? You know what I'm saying? Like, where the jugs at, dog? It's been your boy Taqueza Stack. I had to keep it a stack on my channel. 9-to-5 is just not for me. And another thing, man, watch the company you keep, man. Watch who you keeping around you, bro. Keep them squares out your circle for real, bro. Like, you only as tough as your weakest length, bro. So if you ain't on what your friends is on and what y'all got in common, if y'all actually have anything in common, bro, get from around them boys. Go be around people that got things going on or things you aspire to be, bro. You feel me? Like, that's one thing I can say, bro. If you hanging around 4 lames, you the next lame in the room. That's just how it go, bro. And I'd rather be in my Cheerio by myself in my little hula hoop. Cause I know I'm the boss, you hear me? They try to say, oh, we could be rich, we could be rich partner. I'd rather be a broke boss in my own lane, conducting my own business. I don't like nobody in my game room like that, you feel me saying? Like, I don't like nobody knowing what I'm doing at all times, people depending on me, because I done did that before. Like, that's not a good feeling. And everybody, when you the boss for real, everybody get paid first besides you. So it's like, I'm paying myself right now, bro. I ain't got nothing for nobody. Yeah, man, that's just the bottom line. But I want to know, how long y'all been at y'all job? If you've been working a long time, if you've been working at the same career field, how long did it take you to get a raise? How many people did you watch come and get the job you thought you was finna get promoted to and you never applied? Because I want to know, bro. Like, y'all call me lazy for not wanting to work a 9-to-5. Like, I feel like these 9-to-5s ain't paying like that. No way. Like, you better off hustling on your own, using your money to get some money, bro. If you don't know how to get no money, bro, go get your credit up. Utilize your credit. A lot of people don't got credit. I had 20 bands at, 20 off a credit card. I did anything I wanted to do. I bought my Apple Music. My Apple editing software. I bought a t-shirt press, some bags, some jewelry, and I paid it all back, bro. Straight up, bro. I'm a real hustler, bro. So just know that credit just reoccurring. So people use it as a safety net. Boy, you better utilize that credit to get you some money, bro. Cause I'm talking about a 9 to 5. I hate it, bro. The politics of a job, bro. I can't do it. And then I go talk to my supervisor the other day about how he conducting the business. Cuz gonna get sassy with me like, I know your wife pick out your clothes early in the morning before you go to work. Oh, I don't appreciate you going to HR on me. I run my department. Cooch ass nigga, run your department how you run your department, damn lame ass nigga. Ain't nobody worried about you, cause I ain't gonna be here all the time. And I heard the story that you told me. You were working 10 years at another joint and you didn't get promoted. So you left that hotel and went and found somewhere that you could actually stomp around at. Lame man, nigga. I'll move you up based off of performance. You already done told me what the what is. Like, one thing about these people, I hate black on black crime at the job. These folk don't be expecting you to know nothing because you young, bro. And I hate working around grannies and old people. Like, everybody and their mama been there for years and years and years, and none of their money saved them yet, bro. I don't need to be here. I don't want to look like y'all. I don't want to be the next person in the room getting down like y'all, bro. The fuck? I want to be in my own lane. The people I look up to, you feel what I'm saying? I like designer, eating good. I live below my means when I'm hustling, but when it's time to trick on yourself, trick on yourself. Do it big on your motherfucking self every time, bro. And don't let nobody tell you what you're not capable of doing. If you ain't got no hustle, bro, that you know you passionate about, like, bro, don't even jump out here then, bro. You feel me? Say, like, if you ain't a real hustler, then don't do it, bro. But I'm a real hustler through and through, bro. I know what I could do, bro. I made my money this week in the stock market. I probably done made $200-300 today in other places. Don't even know it, but I'm at work trying to prove to myself, like, oh, I can still go to work, bro. I've been graduated from going to work, bro. That was me, like, a couple years ago. I had 3 jobs at one time just to get my first whip for real, like. And then after I learned about credit game, the credit game was a wrap, bro. Like, hands down, bro, I'm a real hustler, man, you know. And I'm talking about everything gonna be glorified. They not gonna glorify you. Everybody not gonna be happy for you. I'm happy for me because I know what I really could do. I pull cheese at the stock market. You know what I'm saying? Every day, Monday through Friday. That's what I do. When nobody looking, and everybody think I'm goofing around and doing this, I'm pulling cheese out the stock market every day, dog. And I'm gonna upload this video just to show y'all boys, like, man, I ain't that lazy, bro. My work ethic is just not where it need to be at. You feel me saying? Like, I can't get complacent. I just don't believe in going to work, working hard, and you making more money. You don't work harder at your job and make more money per hour. What the fuck? You gonna get paid the same amount, even if you getting salary. You getting the same freaking amount. So that's just my thing, bro. Don't overwork yourself at work, because 9 to 5 is meant to burn you out. You gonna miss trading if you in a trader. If you don't even know how to get into it, looking at your phone, looking at whatever device you on, they gonna say you slowing down production. Man, get out my dick, nigga. I'm making more money than y'all every day at this job, bro. Fuck out of here, you know. And I do a good job at not showing my hand. You know what I'm saying? Like, most people want to see, oh, bro, show me what you made, show me what you made. Bro, I will show you if you feel what I'm saying, like, I feel like I need to. I show my community because I fuck with y'all boys. Y'all boys fucking with me. Y'all watching my videos. I show y'all what I made. But just the average Joe, they can't know I'm damn near making $200-300 at the stock market every day. If you do 200 for 5 days, that's a free band, nigga. What the fuck? You do that 4 times, 4 weeks, 4 times. That's $4,000, man. What the hell we talking about? What the hell, Leontay? What the hell, Leon? What the hell, Barry? That everybody at my job be looking sad every day, but the only day they look happy on is payday. Niggas don't be excited to be at work. I swear to God they don't. Niggas just be happy to be getting paid on payday. I promise you, nobody cares about being at work. Work smarter and not harder. That's why I went to work today, made my trades, and took a nap. Gangster. It's been your boy Tequeza Stack.